How is it going, everyone? It's your boy Left Side Ride. Just thought I'd make a little video from a little cruise I went. For a bit of dry weather today. Just to say that there's some more videos coming. I've got some exciting news. I've been doing bits. Bikes are still very much on the agenda, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it a lot. Yeah, I just went out for a little ride today, which was very nice. Just a little cruise, just to give the bike a little run and have a bit of fun in some dry weather. But yeah, basically I've done my mod 1. I've done my theory, obviously. I've done my mod 1, and in about 2 weeks' time, at the time of recording, I've got my mod 2. So if that all goes well, I will be no longer on my learner license. I'll have a full unrestricted license until I'm 26, and I will be able to ride whatever bike I bloody please, which is really exciting, and I cannot wait for it. I love my 125. It's been brilliant. It's been a great machine to learn on. But having done my mod 1 and some practice on it on the Kawasaki Z125, whenever I get on my bike, it feels like an absolute snail. It's crazy how once you get a little bit light into that perspective, how different it feels. So yeah, I basically just want to make a little video to say that I'm still pushing out content, being patient. I've got a couple big projects in the pipeline, and I'm also doing my big bike test, so hopefully there'll be some new news on that front in just a couple of weeks. But yeah, cheers guys for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Enjoy the rest of this ride.